let's build the product structure for the I-beam. So we're going to make a mold fixture to hold this together. So let's go ahead and work on that. Just setting up the product structure. Even if you didn't know what was going on, the product structure all looks the same, so we'll just run through those steps. We'll create a new assembly. Inside this assembly, I'm going to rename. So what a tool designer would do is take this name and rename that. So I'm just going to copy the name. For the properties, and change that name to be MF for mold fixture. Okay, so it has the same name. And then first I'd like to create the P1 and the P0. So let's back up for a sec. We had that example here for the structure, how to set up the structure. So if you forget, this is your go by, and you should have your own go by. You can open up and basically do the same thing. So we're going to create the tool, and inside the tool we do a P0 and a P1. So we're going to insert, what did I just do? Insert a new product. And I just like to go right away and rename that. I hit the up arrow, it remembers what I had last. And for the instance, we name that to tool. And that's what it should look like now. Then we're going to put the P1 and the P0. So here's your tool, and you got your P0, this is your P1. Okay, notice that this one doesn't have the mill fixture in there. It has the engineering in there. So in reality, inside the tool, we're going to create the engineering part again. Whoops. We're going to insert product. I'll open the tree so you can see what I did. And change the name. In the instance, whoops, I changed the instance. Dang it, I always do that. That should be 0. In the example, I put engineering part. You didn't really put engineering part in real life. It's whatever that part number, that's the engineering part. Okay? So I just put in the actual engineering part and just copied the same name that the part was named for the engineering part. And that goes to P0. And then, not in this one, but in this one, you've got to insert another product. So in the tool, you have 2 products. One is a P0, one is a P1. And this one has the MF because the P1 is the tool. So the instance will be a 1. So inside the beam tool, we have P0, the engineering, P1, the tool fixture. I'm going to go to properties. Sorry, not properties. I keep doing that. Insert another product. I'll just open that up so we can see what we're doing. So now I'm doing that engineering product. Okay. So in here is where that P0 piece would go, right? Now we have that part here. Okay. So this is an existing part. So in the P0, I'm going to insert existing product, and then click on this one here and pick this product and hit the green check mark. Wait a minute, sorry. What am I doing here? I got to make this properties reference, change the name. That's the engineering part. And the instance is named to engineering. Oh, I can't believe I just did that wrong. What am I doing? What I should have done delete that out. Don't save that. You got your P0 and your P1. In here, I'm going to insert existing part. What did I say? Did I say new part? Insert existing product. Click on this beam and grab this one and hit the green check. In engineering, they would just, that's how we come in, and then when it comes in over here, that's that engineering part, okay? Go to properties, for the instance, change that to say engineering. There is your engineering part with all the construction geometry. There's your part body, okay? So all that is in my assembly now. And then I'm going to insert another part, but you can't because they're all products now. That's where it's different. No, insert a part. No, I think that's right. So I'm going to insert that part. Go to properties. And then we'll use our up arrow And this is the engineering part. And the instance is the TLM, tool layout manual. So you got your three parts, and this is the TLM. And then insert an existing part. Go to properties. This instance is the RLM. This reference is your part number. Oh, not MF. See how these don't have the MF in front of it? And you don't really call it tool layout, relational layout. I just was helping you. You just leave it whatever the engineering part number is. Alright. So your product structure should look just like mine right now. And the next example will be to publish elements.